Check workshop settings, people. I workshop me the ones to see license plate them on the wall, you know, so I workshop me there. You see zinc roof over my head? Workshop me there. Oh, me see light out the door. What going on there? Oh, a reflection. A reflection, man. Yeah, a reflection are going up there. Let me tell you what I do now. Let me talk about the clash a little bit. People don't say me chat too much. No, talk about no clash. Clash was good yesterday. Yeah, that's all I can say. Ecstasy, big up your damn self. If you watch my video them, big up yourself. If you're not watching my video them, I don't big you up already. Because I sound play good. Yeah. No, I want to tell you say don't trouble it, you know. I want to tell you say don't trouble it, you know, but I your joy to mix up a thing. So continue do what you do. Yeah. That me I tell you. Me not tell you say don't trouble it. Me I tell you continue do what you do. Yeah. When you come on to the dub plate part, people, Ecstasy is not a dub plate sound. Ecstasy is not a dub, going a dub plate war. I beg him for going a dub plate war just to make it nice. Yeah. That I finish tonight. So when you come on to dub plate and me a dub plate sound. Bad Influence, Bruno, some other little sound I try to take up. Blue Steel a dub plate sound too. Yeah. Some other little sound I try to take up. And me encourage them. Because they make it nice when they take up. The man old school also a dub plate sound. Biggs bad on that take up. Him a do good a take up. Puma try to take up. Well, Puma having dub plate them too. So me want them to take up because they make it nicer. Because see, last night I just 2 sound alone in a dub plate war. And it's nicer with more sound. Yeah. Some other sound dead where dub plate sound same way. But in a my little circle in my ear, St. Anne, St. Mary, are them the sound that we call them. Some other sound did where mobile sound where have whole heap of dub plate, but they don't do competition. So me couldn't say they don't do competition. So it don't make sense me even bring up them. They don't do competition. Competition we are talking about. Next thing now, playing wise, me feel pleased on my bass last night. Me feel good. Drop some bass. You know what talk about 6 is real? Me still not convinced. Tell them say, Nismo say, for convince me, say 6 real. Because Ecstasy 8, wicked. What do you go listen to? One next boss with 8. And the wicked. The 6 them I play good, you know. Don't get me wrong. The 6 them I play good. Especially Otherworld 6. Otherworld 6, very impressive. Me not get to hear D-Max 6 properly. Yeah, D-Max 6 is sound good. And while I play, I look on the turn up on the controller. And the time when me there the event in a quarter way have it the whole of time. Quarter way. So, and is a 6 way recently. I think I first time that in play I rode. From him put in the 6 I first in play I rode, I was Moby I think. So me can't judge film 6 yet. No, me can't judge yet. But me want the 6 them to convince me. For put in 6 in my bus. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm going to buy more player again. Yo, I have a friend in New York. Black Star, big up yourself. Every day that the man they cuss me and talk about Nismo, you buy player again. You're not tired to buy ply. You buy ply every day. So, cup and ply, cup and cut up ply, cup and ply cut up. Cup and ply a gong. You fix your phone. Cup and ply a gong. Ply all in the base box. Ply inner this. Ply inner it. I want I 4 base this, you know. So come out of bus, you know. Yeah, man. I want I 4 that what I 8. Anyway, move on to your work. Workshop time now. This I'm my trophy box. It a go up on the wall in my house. And it can't hold the whole of my trophy them. So me need to fix up it. And I need to fix up it like now. Because the trophy them I get enough. So, I this alone left for cut. I don't know how I go do it yet, because I did a think about for use to cut this exactly the size of that, but I change my mind. Because to the amount of trophy, I have to put some on the top outside. So I'm going to make one look at design in the top. That's me can put them there. I wonder if I can use it now and cut out Nismo in it. No wonder. Anyway, get to cutting. At this I use cutting glass, what catch it, I go catch me when me done. Cha-cha. Alright people, I give you a glimpse of tiling, so I tell you so I buy some tile. So I roll out of tile. Man, them work right now. See, that's how them reach. So, I go finish this. The little part that they have left. And then them I go do upstairs. So all I outer so they do like this crazy tiling. But the water seep between. If you don't notice, when I do them crazy tile, some part of it have some little sink in it. So water settle in it and take time seep through. So I use it the way. Yeah, I go change my skylight them, because skylight them I give me trouble with water. Two of them. Somebody else did do them, but me I go do them myself. Then I do it good. Alright, back to the trophy business now. Because trophy sent me making in my room kind of untidy, because three man them I walk through, I have to put on things so them walk on. See me trophy them here. See like this last night. Them there last night. Left out that out it. Over here so. I want to try to make them a hole in a trophy case. I know all of them can hold, but I try to make as much hole as possible. I have trophy from Maccabee, Speaker Fusion. Our next Speaker Fusion, this don't listen to him. Speaker Fusion again. Sparkles Auto sponsor this. Mobile Invasion. How we keep Mobile Invasion again? Mobile Invasion. I remember, I think Blue Steel, I remember. See a Blue Steel event here. This is one Blue Steel one. Yeah, me have a trophy from Cars on the Lawn, Ras Mobile, we keep a whole harbor, Reasonable Doubt, Icy Skip competition. Me have Stingers motor. Me have trophy from so our next Mobile Invasion there. Mobile Invasion, Satisfaction. Me have trophy from whole heap of different trophy from different event. So me I try if what a big one. I want to like that one, but I remember who did keep that competition. Yeah. This have to go. I'm sure someone want this tonight. So all them medal. Yeah. I have to go make 2 different trophy stand. So I go pick out the one that I want and dust them off and put what I can put inside it. Make it look nicer. Check this, watch out now people. See glass, eh? Glass clean and ready. And this is how I put it. Put it on the wall already and I start putting, but I have to wipe off every. I say I don't reach nowhere yet. I want one next big one for put in other space like this, huh? I have it. And then now the small shelf, which is the shelf, yeah, is almost full. And the shelf I can only hold about 2 or 3 more. That can only hold one, maybe one this and one this. And even them plaque, yeah. I have one more other plaque there, I don't know where I go put it. I don't think it will go in at this. I don't know. Or maybe if I can put it behind that. I don't know. I'll try. But it's basically full already. And none of the trophy them I win last night in the day or so yet. And I have bought 15 more. Alright. I'll show you. Alright. This is how I left. I'm more than 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Still none of what we win last night. So This make 19. I'm go and try see if I can put what I can put. Anything we can put, I just say go. Yeah. Yeah, alright. Watch out now. I want to move this, because this a block my vision right now. Put it on wheel, Yeah, shift it over a little bit. No, nothing a block my vision. Could have go over some more still, but that's a good for me. Yeah. He's out. You look good. Still now being all of them, I think about 10 left upstairs. Yeah. Some of them I get whole because even if you look on this, we get mobile sound of the year 2017. This is 2017. And you can see it had turned black. Turned black. On 2022, yeah, on 2018, 2022. So on 2020, yeah, 2017, yeah, so again. So on 2020, yeah, 2020, 2020, 22, 2019, 2019. On next 2017, the round this. This are last night. The shine one day. Last night. That are 2024. This are that one the round this are 2017. This are 2020. 2019, 2022. Them one there up at the top are probably some younger one. Yeah, because them there's Fusion MVP. MVP that they say, Fusion that again, vintage. This a dub last night. This a dub. I'm telling you see that dub, yeah? You see the biggest one? I'm proud of it because a bad influence me beat for win this. A bad influence are one of the best. But this 4 bass are Sandax. That are the Sandax Fusion again. We can't see them, 4 bass competition that again. Clarity that. So our next dub plate, yeah. Dub plate, dub. Heaviest bass. Dub this again. Dub trophy them big, BS again. BS biggest car sound, 45 shootout. Yeah, a whole heap of them people. We can't go through them. Some of them really old still, because they want a whole, I think this one is 2010, Yeah. Some of them whole and some of them not so whole. All the one around is a whole. We can't see here upon the one there. The one around is this. But around is a whole. But look good. It's 2023, 2023. Me have a next one of them plaque upstairs, but you can't hold in there. Oh, me did say me a try behind this one, Me not pull off back the glass, Me don't want to look too crowded. Because I crowded already. But me can't do no better because of the amount. What I'm going to do still, I build one next one under here, so look a bit smaller. Than, because this day in highway. But when we can build the same size, because I'm not really in highway. I build one next one under it. Like one next shelf or that under it. In the future. Not right now. Tired. Build one next one under it. Look good. Update on this now, people. Remember me telling you something I waiting. But look on the roof. Yeah. Covering on. Rubber lie down flat. Yeah. Any amount of weather this can go through. Any amount of weather that you can bring, this can go through it. Yeah. In a stink of paint though. You want to open up. Make the door stay open. Let out some of my paint smell. But you ready? You ready? I just, as me tell you now, I soon get a full update on this. Alright, true, me are going. Right, true. And me have another one for Bill. Me have another one. And me have another slide box. But me are going to do. Yeah, but me not give you no update on that yet. But me have something new forward. Yeah, see CRV just go and cool out. Put on rail pan in and put on 2 cross rail pan in. put on 2 cross rail on it. Just in case me have to use the car apply. I'm telling you this. You see my vehicle and can't use to do things that I want to do. I don't want it. Yeah. I not in a fussy fandangos business and you can't do nothing. That don't make no sense. Because why you buy a vehicle for? Buy a vehicle, carry you go where you want to go, reliable, and can do things. Carry things, carry your luggage, and my luggage apply. So if you can't apply, me not agree.
Bad boss. A long time I saw a boss with charger.
Well, a JPS current in that, you know. People, a night work, me I do, you know. Yeah, and watch out now, me have something for sure now where I go on with the bus, you see. Now that's the bus I play where I want to play. A light time you know. Light for days and nights. Turn on the light. Oh, see light there? Good. All the phone light me I fix. See boss here, you know, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I mean, I really appointment me come for make still, you know, people. And I really, it might work like a Japan business independent. It might do it like I saw it come. Yeah, but watch out now, people. You see, like them, I'm going to do it like them. I'm going to do it 2 chunk like them. I'm going to do it front like them. You do them light up on the side of the bus already. And them lighter can work off of audio. And it can run like this, or I can change it. I can change it to anything I want. And they're on the 2 side. And we alone have them, you know, because they don't come so long, you know. Yeah, I make them. See there? I make them long. I don't know I make it long, but I make it long. And if you couldn't make it long, more there, I best me I forget, you know. So I best place me go forget the best. See there? I see workshop, yeah. You say if you don't want them work, yeah, just link me. I have a contact for you, know. Yeah. Yo, turn on the light on the box. Turn on the light on the box. See that? Yeah.
No pussy.
Him do it. Him same one do it. So me have to do something to them. I can't. Me not work with it. We have to have it in this too. Yeah. So we have head like them for do and the back like them for do. Work I go on.